N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. N for net.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy.
O for onion.
In the dell, the farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy. The farmer takes the wife.
P for pen.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy.
Q for queen.
Takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy. The child takes the nurse.
R for ring.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy. The nurse takes the cow.
S for star.
The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy. The cow takes the dog.
T for train.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy.
U for umbrella.
Takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy.
V for van.
The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy.
W for watch.
The cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy.
X for xylophone.
Hi ho the dairy. The cheese stands alone.
Y for yacht. C for zebra. N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.